Here is some general information on Invisalign. These aligners can be used only in certain specific cases, and they're not fit for all cases of malocclusion. They are normally used in those patients who have already gone under orthodontic treatment and require a few minor corrections here and there. These aligners work out quite well in such people. Invisalign cannot rectify the relation between the upper teeth to the lower teeth, and Invisalign are removable aligners that can be taken off as they please. And generally the wearers take the aligners off for eating, brushing, and flossing. The patient is advised to wear the appliance for about 20 to 22 hours a day, and if the aligners are not worn as directed, then the whole process needs to be repeated from the beginning. Every 2 weeks, the patient is supposed to pay a visit to his dentist to get a new pair of aligners. If they miss an appointment, the aligners that are next in the series may not fit them. There are some patients who experience slight discomfort while speaking or while bringing teeth of two arches together. The problem gets automatically resolved after a few days of wear. The disclaimer for the end of the video, which is this video, is for general informational purposes only and is not intended to be orthodontic or medical advice, will not be held liable for any reliance or on the content, and we do not endorse the content. We make no representations or warranties of any kind express or implied about the completeness, accuracy, reliability, suitability, or availability of the content.